How to enhance audio quality in LightCut. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. Once your video is loaded in the timeline, tap on the music option at the bottom of the screen and import the audio in the timeline editor. Next, adjust the volume levels of your clips to make sure your audio is clear and balanced. You can also add fade in at the beginning and fade out at the end of your clips to create smooth audio transitions that make your video sound more polished. If you are working with multiple audio clips, make sure to balance them so that background music doesn't overpower dialogue or main sounds. Preview your video to ensure the audio sounds clear, balanced, and polished throughout. Once you are satisfied with the audio, save or export your video. Enhancing audio quality effectively helps your videos feel more professional and engaging for your audience. Now you know how to enhance audio quality in LightCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.